guys, this is Hugotube here. I'm
Hugotube here, and we're going to
do slime. He's gonna. My brother on Hugotube
my sister's
HD.
going to do a slime activity like I am.
Well, you gotta try to. I'm gonna tell you the tips of this, and you're gonna have to follow it, and you viewers too. Okay. So first step, you gotta open the bottle, get the slime out. Let's race. Oh, guys, if you want to go check out what was so funny, go to his channel and subscribe to his channel too. So let's play with this slime around for a little bit.
Yeah.
It's so
Pretty
clicky.
much.
Well, anyways, first step, you gotta cap the bottle. Are you gonna cap the bottle? Wait, no, we're not supposed to cap the bottle yet. We gotta put chunks in there until it gets to this first line. Okay, mine's is to the first line. Where are you putting little chunks at a time? Oh, yeah, I can't show you. You gotta go check out his channel. Yeah, just keep the rest here. Fill up to the first line. Dude, it's not even up to the first line.
I need to film it.
Come on, put bigger chunks at a time. You're just wasting my time. Okay, anyways, then step 2, you put the cap on. Come on, hurry up. And then we have the rest of the slime here. And then we put it on top. And then we let this droop down. And then it looks, this one is called The Girl. It makes you look like a girl.
Hey Google, turn off the alarm.
Ew, there's a bug! Mommy, there's a bug.
Where?
Right on the table. Did you see that?
Yeah. Do you see that?
Oh my gosh, there's a bug. There is a serious bug right there.
And now
Ooh, now it's gone. Okay, this one is called The Girl. If you want to keep lifting the slime up to make it look like more like a girl like that, then you can, but let's get on to the next one. Let's get everything off.
After those videos, it's time for bed, okay?
Okay.
we're only making one video.
Okay, the next DIY that I found out about, and he's gonna follow and see if it looks good. You can compare those two. Comment down below which one looks better and stuff. So the next one is gonna be called the Twister. So you gotta mix up all the slime, and then you put a little, and then you gotta put chunks at a time, or you could just put the whole thing in, but it's easier to put chunks in because if you put the whole thing in, then it won't make it look cool. So chunks at a time would work.
Like mine.
Don't put little chunks, like put medium chunks in at a time.
I got it.
Dude, he's not even looking at the slime.
I'm looking.
Okay, little chunks at a time.
Okay.
Not too little chunks though.
Like this
You
big.
can make some fart noises. Like how pretty that looks, and then put the pretty cap on. Like this.
Like this.
Hey.
Sure.
Oh yeah. She says I want tonight now, and baby gonna know.
Like the
And no
prettiest
trust
thing in the world.
going on. Hey, can you guys see me right there? Wait. Let me put the camera on there, and then you can see me and all that stuff. Wait, don't look at my.
Ah.
Okay, we're on here. Okay, not now. Not now. Not now. What the heck?
Here is it. Ooh, I'm going to drink it. Sounds right.
No, cancel.
Cancel. Lopa.
Okay.
Wrap it up.
Ooh, we're not done.
Yeah, you can't just see. Okay, so. Alright. Oh. Okay, now let's go into the next DIY.
What is this called?
I said it's called the twister.
Okay.
And then put it. Okay, first step, you open it and put it in the cap. I said put it in the cap.
Put it in the cap. Cover the whole thing?
No, only a little bit.
Okay. Only a little bit. Like this?
No.
You said only a little bit.
But like this.
Like this?
No.
Like this?
Dude, you go check out his channel.
Come on.
Okay,
Hey,
now.
Google, set the alarm for 2 minutes.
Okay. Now
Like
it
this?
better look like that. It's called the cap DIY. Does it look like that, Hugo?
No.
You gotta totally check out his channel.
Oh, you said the whole thing.
Okay, now we put the cap. Now we put on some more at a time.
I'm already done.
No, you gotta use the bottle too to put a little bit more at a time.
I did. Like this.
Not like that. You gotta put all the slime in there.
Oh my.
Not the ones in the cap though. And then just keep putting more and more in
This
it.
is a girl. This is color.
Well, just so you know, this is the last DIY. This one's really hard when you have some different types of slime. You know what? We're just gonna dump it out like crazy people. Yeah, this DIY failed. But let's do something crazy. I'm just making farty noises. It's not going in.
I'm a girl. I'm
What? You're a girl?
I'm 40.
You're a farty boy.
I need to get some more.
You need some farty boy noises.
Okay, this is totally a fail. But wait, my way.
I found it.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Now.
Oh my!
Okay, ready? You ain't seen nothing except the stuff in the background, but ready, set.
Ready, set. Oh, blah, 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 blah. Not easy. See who can get it in the quickest. I'm going with what?
You gotta put this in.
Who can put it in?
Almost.
Got it!
Oh, dude, you beat me, but. Let's do some. One more crazy action and.
I beat you.
Okay, so see you next time. Well, let me do a challenge to put it in with only one hand.
I'm not gonna do that challenge. Hey Google, turn off the alarm.
Okay.
See
See you next time. Bye. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Bye.